My name's Dawn Bonfield and I was the founder of International Women in Engineering Day. I'm a materials engineer by background and I now work on inclusion in engineering, which means preventing bias and discrimination being built into our engineering products and services. Thank you, have a good day.
I'm Christina, I'm an aerospace engineer and I design and develop equipment for fast jets.
Hi, my name's Zair Sahawi. My discipline is civil engineering and my current role is site engineer.
I'm Cheryl Turano, I'm a security engineer and I design security controls that keep us all safe online.
I'm Kathleen, I'm a civil engineer and I build structures.
Hi, I'm Rebecca and I'm studying civil engineering.
Hi, I am Dr. Engineer Foston. I am a geotechnical engineer and I design structures that are built beneath the ground.
Hi, I'm Kay, I'm a civil engineer and I work on offshore wind farms.
My name is Kat and I'm a medical visualization engineer. I process digital medical images into physical 3D printed objects.
I'm Sergeant Pamela McNeil and I'm a metalsmith in the British Army.
I'm Stephanie, a mechanical engineering graduate, and I currently work as a data analyst helping wrangle and transform big data.
Hi, I'm Alejandra Anceta. I am a biomedical engineer and I study muscles. I study how we move.
I'm Caroline. I'm a mechanical engineer and I help technology developers create reliable products.
Hi, I'm Fiona Connor. I'm a geotechnical engineer.
My name is Maria Govedaro and I'm a civil engineer. But my current role is Programs Manager for Bentley Systems.
I'm Helen, I'm a structural engineer and I work in the energy industry.
I'm Susan and I'm a chartered civil engineer and barrister and I work with construction contracts and disputes.
I'm Sarah, I'm a graduate software engineer and I work on developing radar systems.
I'm Winnie, I'm a software engineer and I design and build savings and investment software.
Hi, I'm Louise, I'm a systems engineer and I work on hydrogen vehicles.
Hi, my name is Paula, I'm a civil engineer and I've designed lots of different things including roads, bridges and buildings.
Hi, I'm Michelle and I work as an offshore structures engineer. One of the most enjoyable aspects of my role as an engineer is the opportunity to work with people from across the globe, learning about different cultures and working together to solve some of the most pressing challenges. In my case, the sustainable and secure supply of energy, an experience which I've found to be massively enriching, professionally and personally.
Hi, I'm Claire. I'm an engineer and I design the structure for buildings.
I am Charlotte. I am a material engineer and I look at what materials do at the scale of 1/1000th of a strand of your hair.
Hi, my name's Karen Blanc. I'm a process engineer and I'm an operations director.
My name's Frances Ratcliffe and I'm a chartered civil engineer.
Hi, I'm Shannon and I'm a mechanical engineering student.
Hi, my name's Kate. I'm a civil engineer and I look after bridges.
I'm Margie, I'm a structural engineer. I research structures under extreme loading and I also lecture in structural engineering.
I'm Alex, a graduate bridges engineer and I design and maintain bridges all over the UK.
Hello, I'm Elaine. I'm a structural engineer and I look after the structural integrity of offshore oil platforms.
Hi, I'm Erin and I'm a graduate civil engineer within the nuclear and power team.
Hi, my name is Helen Gregory. I'm a chartered civil engineer and a senior director within my organisation. I have a lead role in the delivery of a number of highway projects.
Hi, my name's Gemma Patterson. I work for Transport Scotland and I'm a civil engineer. My role involves overseeing the delivery of some of Transport Scotland's major infrastructure projects, and in particular the A9 dualling Lunketed Passive Burnham project.
I'm Janice Smith. I'm a civil and structural engineer and I design buildings.
Hi everyone, I'm Hemapriya Damodaran. Currently, I'm working as Specialist Clinical Technologist in the Department of Medical Physics at the Royal Infirmary of Edinburgh, which is a part of NHS Lothian. I am involved in the anaesthetic workshop where I deal with a lot of medical equipments like anaesthetic machines, ventilators, incubators, etc. So this covers the entire life cycle of the medical equipment.
Hi, I'm Kate. I'm a civil engineer and I work in water and drainage.
Hello, my name is Eileen Bournes. I am a graduate infrastructure engineer.
Hi there, my name's Leslie Ann Collins and I'm a bridge engineer.
I'm Sarah, I'm a structural engineer and I design buildings.
Hi, I'm Lynn Masterson. I'm a geotechnical engineer and regional director.
Hi, my name is Alex. I'm a civil engineer and I design flood protection.
Hello, my name is Nikki Falayan. I am a telecommunications engineer by background, but I also chair an organisation called the Association for Black Engineers UK. I am a technical discipline lead at WSP, and I'm very passionate about getting more people, regardless of background, into engineering, because that brings in the diversity of thought, experiences and opportunities even.